Happy congratulations to all of you. Today, as we all know that today is Independence Day. That means 15th August, and 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day every year because on this day we got our freedom. Before the independence of our country, Britishers had been ruling over our country since many years. But after a long struggle of time, great revolutionary leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Khudiram Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. have played a crucial role in the freedom of our country. In our country, different types of people are living here of different religions, different castes. That's why there is no discrimination in our country pertaining to religion. That means in our country everyone can follow any religion according to his choice, desire or will. So in everyone's mind there must be a question that why do we celebrate 15th August as Independence Day? Because on this day our country got fully freedom from the hands of Britishers. That means we snatched our property from the Britishers. In sense of we can say that freedom which is fully being celebrated in all over the country, like colleges, institutes, universities, schools, etc. On this day different types of cultural programs are also done. Sweets are distributed among the children. So before the independence of our country, Britishers always wanted to capture this Mother India on their hands. That means they didn't want to, no one can stay or no one can rule over our country except us. But Mahatma Gandhi, he has played a crucial role in the freedom of our country. So every year we celebrate 15th August as Freedom Day, and this is the 79th Independence Day, which is called Swatantrata Divas in Hindi. So that's why we every year celebrate this date, that is 15th August, as Independence Day every year. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.